Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell music on Squarespace. Whether you're a musician or a content creator, Squarespace makes it easy to monetize your work. So let's get into it. The first step is to set up a store page. Now in your Squarespace dashboard, go to Pages and add a new page by selecting Store. Before you do that, you have to access your account, and to do so, just go to Squarespace here and enter your account credentials if you haven't already logged in. Now, if when you do that, click on this one and click on account dashboard. Now here, select the website that you want to sell your music in it and click on it, like this one, and you'll be directed to the website here. Now here, add a new page by selecting store. Click on pages here and add a new page. Selecting store right here to sell products and services online. Click on it. This will create an online store page where you can list your music. The second step is to add your music as digital products. Open your store page and click add products and select digital products as the type. Now here we're gonna open the store here. Let's open the store and we're gonna click on the plus button right here and we're gonna select a digital file here and click on download. Now after you're doing this, upload your music file, MP3 or other supported formats and add a title and a description and set the price. Now for the third step is to set up payment options. Go to settings and then commerce. Go back to settings and then commerce to enable payments through Stripe or PayPal. This way customers can securely purchase and download your music. Now you're ready to sell music on your Squarespace site. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have furthermore questions about this topic, feel free to leave them in the comments below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.